Welcome to my channel Health Tips. Please click on subscribe button to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for more videos. Number 1. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is relatively low in calories, high in protein and a source of calcium. Because of this combination, it can be a healthy choice during weight loss. So, eating cottage cheese while trying to lose weight may be a good idea. Plus, it contains the sleep-inducing tryptophan to help you fall asleep. Number 2. Whole grains. Whole grains are also an excellent option if you are trying to decide what to eat at dinner to lose weight. Whole grains promote weight loss in several ways because whole grains are made from complex carbs. They are digested slowly. They help keep you full longer. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt offers a number of benefits when it comes to weight loss, including better hunger control, preservation of muscle mass. Yogurt is a low-fat food packed with calcium as well as protein. It provides all the benefits of dairy without the added fat or calories. Number 4. Vegetables. Vegetables are an excellent alternative when seeking fat-free food to eat for dinner to lose weight. They contain fiber, vitamins, and nutrients in a very limited number of calories, proving an ideal meal for any moment of the day. Number 5. Lean protein. When it comes to weight loss, meat eaters should always opt for lean protein sources, since they are significantly lower in fat. Beef, chicken, pork, fish, tofu, or beans, it does not matter which you pick, all are protein-rich foods.